Thank you for tuning in to another opening of the BespokePost.com. You know I gotta have my trusty knife. This is the box I have. Nice size box. Let's see what we got. So in my BespokePost.com box I have 2 mint julep silver mint julep cups, 2 metal straws with the little monkey symbols at the end to move the stuff out the way, and my muddler to muddle my stuff to get out the way, squeeze that juice, and a simple syrup along with another ice tray. I'm collecting these ice trays, y'all. I'm collecting a lot of different types of ice. Round, big cube, now little skinny slivers. Nice. And what you do with this is you fill the ice up. And then when you finish, you can ball it up this way. You could twist it. And it'll all just break out nicely. You have nice little crushed ice. Nice. I can't wait to make some mint juleps because I got the recipe for a classic mint julep, parsley gin julep, and dark and stormy julep. When I make these, I will make my video so you can see how to utilize your box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.